Hello, boys. Hello, girls. How are you today? Are you good? I'm great. Let's go. Today we are going to use the journal book, pages 8 and 9. Okay? This activity is a little bit difficult. You are going to have a challenge, but I'm sure that you are going to get it. Okay? Let's go. Let's see my instructions. So, on page 8, we have a question here, a text to complete, okay? And we have on number 2, the vocabulary, and finally, number 3. We are going to change the order of the numbers. Number 3, we are not going to do it, and we are going to start with the vocabulary you can see here on number 2. Okay? Let's see the vocabulary. We have tall, alto, blue, brown, blonde, the color of the hair, straight, the shape of the hair, okay? Short, dark. When you say, for example, dark brown, es castanho escuro. Dark blue, azul escuro. Dark yellow, amarelo escuro. Toda vez que você acrescenta a palavrinha dark antes de uma color, it means escuro, okay? Happy, beautiful, and thin. So, as you can see, these words are describing hair, eyes, body, and we have 2 words to describe feelings, emotions, okay? Beautiful and happy. Let's go. On the text, we start with, this is a selfie of my family, okay? This is the picture, the numbers, and let's go. My dad is taking the selfie. His name is Don. He is and thin. Here, we are not going to talk about the eyes. We are not going to talk about the hair. We are going to talk about okay? That has got blonde hair. Blonde hair, okay? We are not going to talk about the color. We are talking about short, medium, long. Pay attention. And letter C. Now we are talking about the color of the eyes. This is my mom. Her name is Pat. I think she's very... She's blonde. She has got long, okay? This is the way her hair stays. We are talking about hair. It's not about the color, okay? Mom has got blue eyes and she's tall and like daddy, okay? This is my brother Ben. He's 7 years old. He's 3 years older than me. Mais velho. He has got hair like mom and dad. Here we are talking about the color of the hair. But he hasn't got blue eyes. Ben has got light color of the eyes. Okay? My name is Vivian. My appearance is different from my family's. I've got curly, long hair and something brown eyes. Remember that word to emphasize the color, aquela palavrinha que a gente acompanha antes da color para enfatizar, ok? Let's try to remember. I am a very lucky girl because my family loves me. I am a very emotion adopted child. Okay? So this is the big text you are supposed to complete. And when you finish the text, we have to answer this question. Think about it. Who is describing the family? Quem é que escreveu esse texto para descrever a família? Daddy, mom, brother, or Vivian? Okay? Who is talking about the family? I hope you enjoyed. If you need, stop the video, watch again, listen to the instructions, write, rewrite. That's okay. As I told you, it's a challenge. Bye, bye, bye. See you next time.